be a loner.
At least I got one thing right, everyone's off. Little India MRT station. Let's see if we can find some nice food. That's right, need the card to get out. Or if we get the O and the N swapped around, it's say no clothing. What have we got here? Masks can go. Here we are. Little India, the markets. Okay. Ooh. Some real gold, I'm sure. Let's go. Get some new shoes for you. Nice heels.
Yeah, can do.
Oh, you'd look nice in those heels.
I think so too.
Huh? Hmm? Phone covers? They're picking on you, Shane. Oh, left. There we go, markets are this way. Let's go find out what we've walked into.
Have you been here before?
Have I been here? Yeah, we kind of did. I remember it like it was yesterday. Oh, pigeons getting their own grapes. Well, they're not grapes. I don't know. Like, nice. Ooh, smells like vegetables here too.
It's probably pretty good.
Yeah.
This one smells like feet though.
Feet.
It's sweet feet.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's bees on them. The flowers.
Mm. These lights are bright. Did you see the electrical plug?
Yeah.
It's typical Indian, isn't it? Oh, it's broken. No, we'll just twist those together.
That was the alcohol.
Alcohol shop for us. Clothing. Ah. Mm.
Probably get some crackle in here somewhere.
Some what?
Crack.
Crack. Yeah. I was going to say, certainly we'll see that. I'm sure someone will be stocking the shelves for us.
It's what homers. Oh, there's some jeans for you, $6.
$6 denim, nice. To be honest, $5.
Coconut.
The flowers smell good.
Oh.
Coconuts. Nice. Ah. Ooh, chilies. Yeah, that'd be good.
That will get you some subscribers.
Yeah.
Come on. You're subscribers, you're going to take one for the team, mate.
Hello. Al Abu Restaurant. Al Abu? Oh yes. That's if I had hair. That's a good haircut. Hey? Yeah.
Look at small visa.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's small.
yeah. They are little. Yeah. Definitely lots of different smells. Some good, some not so good. Oh, gold. Get some frankincense and some gold. Ah. Here we go. More jewellery. hello.
Hi.
Fancy meeting you here. Okay.
Oppo's got it.
Popular.
Oh, look down here.
Yes. Some kind of musically orientated. They certainly sell jewellery here, lots of it. And just shop after shop selling gold, more gold. That timing. Oh. Wow. I'm not sure. It says no shoes, but can you go in? It's very nice. Yeah, it's very nice.
Different but beautiful.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. That'll say why it has all that artwork up the top.
Oh, how do you get in?
Well, that seat, you can't even get in, so you can't escape. Oh. Sin Lim, we've found massive, like multi-story electrical places where, you know, anything electrical is in there. But again, I've been outvoted, so the vote says no, so we don't go. But we can go jewellery shopping. Some towels. Must be back in the markets. Ooh, suitcase. Ooh. Hey. Have a look. Ah, I guess not. Not looking in here either. No, they're on a mission for food. Look good down there. Nice.
Take as long as you want, and I'm fine to relate to this.
We could have gone in the market. Down.
I couldn't handle the smell at the front of the friggin' market. Could you not smell that?
Yeah. Looks like you took me to the markets anyway, Shane.
Yes.
Thank you.
Jason Apple did so.
Were they? Yeah. Rickshaws. Open air rickshaw. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's what we need.
Yeah, this.
No, the foot massage up on the poster. Ooh. Mark's only. Oh, this is good. We must have moved more from India to Chinatown type. The Night Bazaar Market. Oh, nice wooden furniture. Bags. Lots and lots of bags. Superman outfit. Trail wheels. Might get some Michelin star food. We'll be the only Aussies in here.
That's rude. Go.
Yeah. Japanese. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, spine meat too.
Well, it was a quick visit.